Hey folks, Jason here from West Coast Gardens, and today we're going to put in a hedge and some annuals to spruce up this garden. When planting trees or shrubs, you want to make sure that the hole you dig is twice the size of the pot and only as deep as the soil is in this pot. So the height of your plant's soil should be the height of the soil surrounding it. You don't want to add soil above because that will rot the stem. So this boxwood, I read the label and it tells me the spread is 18 to 24 inches. So I'm going to plant these two boxwoods about 18 inches apart from center to center. The next step is we're going to loosen the soil with the shovel and lay on some topsoil. For most of my flower beds, I choose to use sea soil. I find it to be a fantastic product for adding to your garden. We're going to top dress this garden using sea soil and then plant pansies. So the next step is we're planting these beautiful violas. We've got a deep purple and a yellow to contrast. So we started with our boxwood hedge, and we're going to grow this hedge and we're going to shape it using shearers through the years to get that real beautiful look. And for added color, we added in some pansies and some evergreen grasses to complete the look. For more inspirational videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.